Hey family, it's Nicole B here, back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be creating my version of the Bangle nail look that has gone viral. Keep watching if you'd like to see how I created this look.
I am starting by prepping my natural nails, using my sanding bit on my E-file set to a low speed, I think at 2000 RPMs, to buff my natural nail and remove excess products from my last set.
Next, I am going to clean up my cuticle area with my needle bit. I am going to use the extra long nail tips from Apres to create this look. Here, I am just sizing the tips, ensuring a perfect fit. I'm going to use my sanding bit on low speed to etch the underside of each nail tip. Even though I don't plan on wearing these nails for an extended amount of time, I still want to remove the number on the underside of the nail tip. I'm going to apply a peel-off base and cure for 30 seconds in my LED UV lamp. After I apply the peel-off base, I'm going to apply a generous amount of the Extend Gel under the nail tips and flash cure for 5 seconds. Since these nail tips are sculpted, I can be a little more generous with the Extend Gel to fill in the space between the nail tip and my natural nail. Once I flash cured all of the nails, I'm going to cure my entire hand in my LED UV lamp for 60 seconds.
I'm gonna start with a very opaque white gel polish as a base for the nail design. Since this is a nail look with a lot of different colors and textures, I want to keep the nail design on the thumb and pinky finger pretty simple. I'll apply 2 coats of this color and cure for 30 seconds in my LED and UV lamp. Next, I'm going to apply a nude base color on my other 3 nails. This color is pretty transparent, so I'm going to apply 3 coats of this color and cure for 30 seconds. I'm going to use some rhinestone gel and a long liner brush to create a textured look on my thumb and pinky fingers. I'm going to use a makeup sponge to apply some chrome powder to the textured nails to add a subtle sparkle that complements the bangle nails. Now it's time to apply the bangles. I'm going to create some chunky bangles. Definitely want to be sure to wear gloves when using this product to avoid skin irritation. After I create the bangles, I'm going to apply them to each nail and flash cure them for 15 seconds. I wanted to create sort of like a granite look on the chunky bangles, so I grabbed these paint pots and a liner brush to apply the colors to the bangles. I'll apply 2 coats and flash cure for 15 seconds. After painting all of the chunky bangles, I'm gonna use a rhinestone glue to apply a variety of different nail charms to create the rest of the nail design look. I'm going to coordinate the colors of the nail charms and the chunky bangles to pull the rest of the nail design all together.
And this is the final look. All products used in this video will be listed in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace, family!